All right, good morning, you guys. FOMC today, and it was clear that that was going on today. I okay, so I hate these days where we're in these giant fucking gaps. So if we go to the hourly, we're in this giant gap. It's around, got moved. Sorry about that. We're in this giant hourly, um, and we did inverse it, and then we rejected off of it when we came back in. And I wanted to see it reject off of it again with a 1 minute. And this candle showed like huge rejection, like it felt like it went in and just wicked out. Like it, I thought like, okay, yeah, we definitely want to go lower. Maybe like to these lows right here somewhere. I thought we wanted to go lower. And I wanted to be bearish with the way the market was moving. If you guys look, you can just tell it's a bearish market. So when we rejected, I entered off that. I ended up floating in profit, and then it kind of just went straight to my stop loss. I had my stop loss pretty tight, and then here's my real take profit. Yeah, put us down like 80 bucks. I then entered, same size, didn't break even on the day, but this trade ended up banging. My confluences were the sweep of these lows and an SMT with ES. That's why this short was stupid. I don't know why I entered. We did get a 5 minute change in state though. That was one of my main reasons. I really liked that. But had an SMT with ES. You never trade against the SMT. I broke my rules on that trade, and I'll be honest with you guys. But the second trade was perfect. We got our liquidity sweep. We almost changed state with this inverse. But I entered, once we swept these highs and came up and filled this gap, I entered two mini or micros. Took one off at this high and was targeting the other one for this high. But when we filled this bearish gap, I moved my trailing stop to this high. And as you can see, it filled and then came down and stuck us out. But not mad with that. Yeah, did not even think about trading my eval on this price action because of the buffer I have. Sorry if it's loud. My brother's in the shower. But yeah, no. Just a terrible day because of this right here. So tomorrow should be a better day. I mean, this could give us some good pre-market trades, maybe. We'll see. I'll be up a little earlier for that. But yeah, I'm gonna go make a TikTok again. If you guys haven't, would really appreciate if you can follow that. I really want to grow that. And yeah, I'll see you boys tomorrow.